Have you ever seen how Hyundai builds the Ioniq 5 from raw material to showroom?
Design begins with virtual reality. Ioniq 5's 3D CAD takes shape in digital space.
We're seeing excellent cycle life stability here.
Yes, the EIS data confirms the SEI layer is robust, the chemistry is sound, and
Steel stamping for Ioniq 5's EGMP chassis done at 800 tons of pressure. Skateboard platform assembly pearl, where battery, motor, and chassis come together.
Eco-material dashboard of Ioniq 5, crafted from sugarcane and recycled PET.
Glass roof tested for strength and UV protection.
Motor assembly line calibrates Hyundai's proprietary 800V drivetrain.
Wiring harness layout optimized for space in flat floor EV design.
EV coolant lines sealed and pressure tested.
Hyundai's Pixel LED lamps precision tested with laser alignment.
Eco-seat foam molded using bio-oil instead of petroleum.
Robot applies ultra-thin paint layers for Lapis blue finish.
B2L port tested powering small appliances off Ioniq 5.
Digital mirrors calibrated for blind spot and clarity.
ADA sensors cleaned by microspray nozzles during test runs.
Top feedback นะครับ Interior LED ambient light sync to drive mode and night setting.
Pixel light tail lamps tested for uniformity and brightness.
Dual motor AWD calibration tested on split mu dyno rollers. Frunk storage waterproofing tested with high pressure spray.
Climate preconditioning app control tested remotely.
Logo assembly machine aligns H badge within 0.1 millimeters. UV curing for dashboard trim ensures durability under sunlight.
Digital key via smartphone tested for lock, unlock, and start. Smart regenerative braking modes tested downhill.
HDA alerts tested via haptic steering feedback.
Solar roof efficiency measured under real-world light.
Hidden rear wiper tested under rain simulation.
Charge port LED ring shows charging progress at a glance. Zero-gravity seat position tested for posture and comfort.
Factory pre-delivery inspection validates 100+ checkpoints on Ioniq 5.
Auto hold brake tested on incline start scenarios.
Airbag deployment synchronized with seatbelt pretensioners.
Electronic shift-by-wire tested for gear logic accuracy.
Night vision interior lighting verified for non-disruptive glow.
Digital instrument cluster brightness auto-adjusts by ambient sensor. Rain repellent glass verified under continuous drizzle.
ADAS sensor cleaning nozzle sprays tested in dusty simulation.
Auto folding mirrors triggered by key proximity detection.
Foot level heater verified for passenger warmth in rear seats.
Built-in navigation tested for EV charging stop integration.
Driver attention warning monitored during 2-hour drive sim.
Seat memory positions recall based on driver profile login. Set temp to 22 degrees Celsius.
Passenger detection sensor disables airbag when child present. Lightweight alloy wheels inspected for uniform coating. Ioniq 5's wading depth tested with controlled water trough.
Door sealing verified for acoustic performance and airtight insulation. Play next track. Switch to navigation. Blind spot view monitor activates during signal use.
The bidirectional plug is working perfectly, charging the bike while running the lights.
This changes everything for our outdoor trips.
Charging port door motor tested in low temp for freeze resistance.
Underbody shield evaluated for drag coefficient contribution.
The smart trunk opens completely hands-free, even when your hands are full.
Ambient cabin lighting customized via infotainment themes.
Air purification system tested in pollution chamber.
E-call activated. Calling emergency services. Call connected.
Emergency services, what is your location?
Cabin pre-cool and heat functions validated via app command.
360-degree camera calibration verified during tight parking sim.
Frameless interior mirror tested for anti-glare performance.
Battery enclosure tested for IP6X dust protection. Ventilated seats airflow measured in hot environment.
Electric seat lumbar support adjusted for ergonomic posture.
Low power consumption mode activates after idle threshold.
Foot-operated parking brake checked on incline.
EV range estimation validated over dynamic terrain.
Headlight cornering feature tested on curvy track.
Thermal comfort balance between front and rear zones tested.
Auto-dimming rear camera mirror tested with high beam flash. Battery pack sealing verified via water immersion test.
Glove box cooling system verified for food-grade temps.
Defogger performance tested during high humidity conditions.
Active grille shutters verified for aerodynamic efficiency.
Energy consumption monitored across eco, normal, and sport modes.
Touch haptic feedback on infotainment screen, tested for tactile accuracy.
Power window pinch protection tested with obstruction.
Steering wheel position memory verified after restart.
Passenger airbag automatically disables with no occupant detected.
Continue on the highway for the next 15 miles. Then, in 200 feet, turn left onto the main street.
Battery thermal management activates in hot summer test.
Center console slide tested for customizable layout.
In 1 mile, exit right. In 500 feet, take the exit now.
E-pedal function tested for one-pedal driving experience. Multi-link rear suspension inspected for alignment under load.
Reverse auto brake system triggers on simulated obstacle.
Ambient temperature sensor adjusts climate preconditioning. Dual zone AC verified for independent control precision.
Rear privacy glass tested for UV and heat reduction.
Cabin materials abrasion tested for long-term durability.
Footwell lighting synced with door unlock event.
ISG feature tested in traffic simulation.
ADS alert tones calibrated for volume and urgency.
Rain sensor auto wiper speed adjusted in lab-controlled drizzle.
Rainwater drainage system tested on panoramic roof.
Automatic high beam control tested with oncoming traffic simulation.
Child lock functionality verified via switch and sensor response. Solar panel roof charging data recorded during sunny day trial.
Rear occupant alert system activates when door closes.
Center speaker spatial audio sound.
Interior ambient temperature monitored post-sun exposure.
High-speed stability tested on closed test track.
EV route planner suggests fastest charge stops based on real time. Smart key detection range tested under RF interference.
Interior soundproofing materials verified through road noise test. Forward collision avoidance assists, tested with pedestrian dummy.
Hands-free tailgate sensor tested with different foot gestures.
Battery SoC.out state of charge. Syncs with mobile app in real time.
Steering wheel heating zones tested for even warmth. Underfloor storage tested for luggage space optimization.
Digital rear view mirror clarity tested at night and rain.
Vehicle stability management tested on slippery surface.
Touch gesture control on infotainment, verified for no-look use. Window tint IR reduction verified under simulated sunlight. Cabin filter tested for pollen and microparticle removal.
Take me home. Route to home calculated. Drive safely.
Drive mode changes ride stiffness and throttle response instantly. Final quality audit ensures all Hyundai logos match factory spec.